Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove like from Instagram post. You might want to remove a like from an Instagram post if it was accidental or if you simply change your mind about supporting the content. So let's start the video. To delete like from Instagram post, open Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Under how you use Instagram, tap on your activity. Now in the interactions section, tap on likes. Here tap on content types in the top menu and in filter by select post. So unselect reels. Now tap on apply. These are all the posts you have liked on Instagram. Once you have found the post you want to remove, simply tap on it and then tap the heart icon again. The heart will turn from red to grey, which means your like has been removed. So that's how to remove like from Instagram post. Thanks for watching.